Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will understand the framework for Defender for Cloud Apps. So just to give you an overview about the framework, and then we'll proceed with other videos on the Defender for Cloud Apps. Well, Cloud Access Security Broker are defined by Gartner as security policy enforcement points placed between cloud service consumers and cloud service providers to combine and interject enterprise security policies as cloud-based resources are accessed. So what does Cloud Access Security Broker do? They consolidate multiple types of security policy enforcement. In simpler words, CASBs or Cloud Access Security Brokers are the intermediary between your users and all of the cloud services they access. And CASBs will help us to apply monitoring, security controls over the users and the data. CASBs for cloud services are like firewalls to corporate networks. So we have Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps is a CASB that will help us to identify and combat cyber threat across Microsoft and third-party cloud services. Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps integrates with Microsoft solutions, providing simple deployment, centralized management, and innovative automation capabilities. Let me show you a picture. So this image shows the flow of information around the organization. We can see how Defender for Cloud Apps functions as an intermediary between apps, data, and users. We see cloud apps which are protected APIs, we have Cloud App Security, we have App Connectors, Cloud Discovery, we have Proxy Accesses plus Session, then we have Crowd Traffic Logs which are flowing through our organization, which can be scattered around different areas, different geographical locations. We have firewalls, we have proxies. So there are 4 elements to the Defender for Cloud Apps framework. If I can write that for you. So those are how we discover and control the use of shadow IT. Okay, let me write that again. Caps lock is on. Okay, how we make the use of shadow IT. So we identify the cloud apps, infrastructure as services, PaaS services used by our organization. And then we decide how many cloud apps we think are used by our users. Some of the apps that we do know about. Let's say we have more than 1,000 of that number. Now, when you know which apps are being used, we'll be better understand how and we control the risk. And then this next point is we have to protect our sensitive information anywhere in the cloud. So we understand, we classify and protect sensitive information at rest to help avoid accidental data exposure. Defender for Cloud Apps provide DLP, which is data loss prevention. We'll discuss more about the DLPs, Microsoft Purview, sensitivity labels, data classification in the coming videos. But for now, just get the idea, which has the capabilities that covers the various data leak points that exist in the organization. The next point is we have to protect against cyber threat and anomalies. Okay, we have to detect the unusual behavior across apps, users, and potential ransomware. Then we have Defender for Cloud Apps, which combines multiple detection methods, including anomaly, user entity behavior analytics, and rule-based activity detections. Then we have to access the compliance of the cloud apps. Okay, we have to assess if the cloud apps comply with regulations and industry standards specific to the organization. Defender for Cloud Apps will help us to compare the apps and usage against relevant compliance requirements, prevent data leaks to protect to non-compliant apps, and limit access to regulated data. Okay, so I hope this little information about cloud apps. A brief information was informational, will benefit you all. So if you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.